So I'm getting ready to make some tassels for some wind spinners. And a friend of mine gave me a Tootsie Roll the other day. So I'm like, ooh, I was eating on this while I was messing with stuff. Well, I about choked on that. Just chewing it. The juice that came out of that just like was so thick and heavy in my throat. I had to rinse out with baking soda and gargle. I could still feel the sugar like hanging on. I mean, look at that. That's a Tootsie Pop. I don't eat candy enough, surely. I spit that out. I was like, I had to get it out. It was like seriously choking me. Oof.